Types of sports. Sports are of two types: indoor games and outdoor games. Indoor games. Indoor games are played within a closed environment, and a number of them are played by sitting at one place. They include chess, card games, games played with gamesmen and dice, carom, etc. The game known by various names as Kachak Vadya or Chauka Bara, or as Indian Ludo, is very popular among Indians. Chauka Bara is a 4 or 2 player board game from India. This game is an example of a partially observable system that involves an element of chance introduced by the roll of special dice and an element of strategy. While traditionally played with 4 or 6 cowrie shells, dice can also be used. The game known as Sagar Gote, played with a bunch of seeds or stones, is usually played by girls. There is another game known as Bhatukali, playing house, which is usually played by girls. However, all the members in the family can also participate in it, especially in the mock wedding of a girl doll and a boy doll. It is an occasion of family celebration.